All right, guys, so just waking up. I wanted to go check out gold. We have about a minute left until the 30-minute open. I'm looking at the setup. You can see that price basically came down. I like how we swept this low. We are kind of bearish, which makes me not like, the most confident in the buys. But I want to see how this 30-minute opens up. We can have a bottom wick and start to go. I will probably give these buys a shot. I actually already wanted to get in. Hold on, reloading trade locker. But come on, trade locker. Oh, it's already going. It's already starting to go, guys. No FOMO. Let's wait 1 second. And then once the 30-minute opens, this bottom wick, probably give the buys a shot. A little $400 risk. All right, guys, you guys can see the 30-minute open up pretty bearish, coming back down. Fibbed up this low to this high. If we can start to reject from here, probably going to give it a go. Come on, trade locker. Look at me just in bed chilling. This is what trading can do, guys. You really can just do this from the bed. Pay for Tokyo while we're here. All right, so we're taking out this low. We're not rejecting anything. We have some big bearish candles coming in. It is Asia, this is why I opened up a smaller account, guys. Risking smaller because it is going to be slow. But if we can kind of reject from here, from that little fib level, I'm going to enter the buys and see if we can just ride price back up to the highs. We need to see a rejection. Off that rejection, guys, let's give our first trade a go. I'll keep you guys updated, but stop right below this low. Let's see if we can just continue back up above this high. It should be as easy as that, guys. Let you guys know. Keep you guys updated. Let's go. Just like that, we're starting to reject. Because price was up here, I actually did a smaller lot size than I could have. We're sitting up around almost 200 bucks. And once we take out that high, I'm just gonna go stops to break even already. Let's see if we can take out this high right, in here. But good play so far. If I did the proper lot size, I'd be up like 300 and something. But I won't make that mistake. I feel like I was a little distracted because I'm here trying to record for you guys on YouTube. But we didn't take out that high just yet. If you don't know what high I'm talking about, it's literally just the high right above. Because I feel like if we take that out, we shouldn't come all the way back down. So, all right, so I just want to come and show you guys so you can see we're still in the trade. But if I come to here, you guys can see what the trade was I was looking for in a discount. If I click on it, literally, guys, I called that 30-minute bottom wick, came up, took out highs, closed some partials, and that's all she wrote. Looks like we're still going bullish here. Come back over. Like I stood still in the trade. Still up around 220. Like I said, I wish I did that bigger lot size. We were in the right lot size because price was up in here. And if you don't know, on Trade Locker, you can put your risk down below. And because it retraced, I actually forgot to change my lot size. Press the buy, and then we started to go. But still flying. Come over to trades. You guys can see 220 still going. Let's freaking go. W trade. Shout out gold. I'm going to pay for Disneyland today. Let's go. All right, so here you guys can see gold did just come down to kind of rebound right here. But I do think we're going to get a retracement to come back to break even, which I obviously don't want. I'm going to close out there, and we're going to come up here to trades. Only $320, which obviously is not the best. It's a light little trade to start, but we will get it back, guys. I gotta go get ready for Disneyland. I will be live trading Asia in a little bit with the Kingdom, so this is really just the first trade just to start the morning. Quick little $300. You can see here, like I said, I think that we're gonna hit here and come back down to break even anyway, so I'll just look for a re-entry in about an hour when I'm back trading Asia. So good little trade to start off this impulse. We're starting to chop around, but I will look for a re-entry later. All right, we're on our way to get breakfast now. The gold trade did end up coming back to break even, so it was a good close. Like I said, guys, during Asia, it's so much more choppy. So even though, like, if that same setup happened during New York, it would have expanded, hit all TPs. But because it's Asia, I just have less confidence that it's going to go from where I got in to the swing high in one move. You know what I'm saying? It's going to chop around first. So hitting some breakfast real quick, both of us. We're going to go back and trade Asia, and it's off to Disney. So stay tuned for this. Let's go. This is what we're working with right now. We're going through. This bakery is pretty cool though, you see all the faces.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Let's go. Can't even cap, super fire. Maybe we should have took a picture before we ate it, but you know what? This is the new regulation from the inside. Is that, like, was it even good if you didn't even try it? Like, everyone takes pictures of it before they eat it. Like, bro, what do you think?
I'm in love.
Super good. Definitely recommend for anyone who's here in Shinjuku. Check out, what was it? Actually, we have no idea what it's called. But big W. Now we're out here. We're at this little area. Chilling. Let's go. All right, so we're in here on my live account. I barely could see, but big W's in the chat. We got like 1,000 people on here. We caught this wick up. I already closed partials. If we reverse, I don't even care if it hits any break even because we already secured profits. But nice little bounce off discount on gold. Literally the same setup as earlier. Big W's in the chat, guys. We got like 1,000 people still here watching this, guys. Big freaking W's. Now it's time to go to Disney and make some profits. Like I said, come over here. You guys can see them floating on the live account. And here, I haven't closed any partials yet. I'll let you guys know. But big W's in the freaking chat. Let's go. We're not in just yet, but we are going to DisneySea today, so stay tuned. Fire Asia session caught a banger on gold. Super annoying because it did consolidate before going back up, but we did close and secured some profits. So W day. Already pays for Disneyland already, but now we're here. I can take you guys along and show you Tokyo DisneySea. Let's go. And we off. Getting on to the bus down at Disneyland. Let's go. All right, we made it. We out here at DisneySea, guys. So there's DisneySea in Disneyland. We picked DisneySea because they have more like unique things that aren't anywhere else. Obviously, there's the Disneyland in LA that I've been to 1,000,000 times, so it'd be just the same stuff. But I want to show you this. This is the line to get in. If you guys have looked at DisneySea, usually all these are filled with people at like 6 a.m. Bro, we just showed up at what time is it, like noon? And there's no line. I don't know why you would show up a couple hours earlier to have that line when I woke up, traded Asia, made all the money to come to Disneyland, and now we here. So let's walk in. What do you think about those gold buys this morning? Come on, give me some.
I am so.
Let's go. Outside. If you guys don't know, a couple days ago was the 25th year anniversary, I think, of the Tokyo Disney. So like a bunch of people are here, and they got like over there a bunch of things you can take pictures with, and like, you know, mascots and stuff like that. So big W. Let's go check out DisneySea. All right, so I spoke to it early. The reason why people get here earlier is for the premiere pass. It makes it so you can skip the lines. We just got in line for Soarin' something. It's gonna be like an hour and 20 minutes. Just trying to get out of the way. So now I kind of understand. People get here early because you can't do the premiere passes until you're on like ground. So now I kind of understand, but I mean, kind of knew that we would come and be in line at Disney. So we're gonna go in the Soarin' one, and then later we just bought a premiere pass for Journey to the Center of the Earth. That one will be sick. So yeah, keep you guys updated. So far, literally just in line to go on Soarin', and then we'll go get some food and check out some other rides. Let's go. Time for the ride.
そんな思いを胸に、私は世界中の科学者や芸術家たちと協力し、空を飛ぶさまざまな手段を開発したのです。そして空を飛びたいと願い続ければ、素晴らしい技術が生まれ、その夢は実現するのだと確信しました。今日は私たちの自信作、ドリームフライヤーを皆さんにご紹介できて本当に嬉しく思います。
Food review. This is what we got going at Tokyo Disney. We got meatballs and some chicken tenders. Pretty good. All I was gonna say is that now we still got Peter Pan going. Soarin', I don't know if we went over. What do you think about the ride?
It was amazing. One of the best, genuinely best experiences.
The ride was amazing. Then we got Peter Pan next after food, and then we got maybe the Tower of Terror, and then we got Journey to the Center of the Earth to end it. So stay tuned. Tokyo Disney so far, fire. Now it's food time. Let's go. I wanted to try and find a trade for you guys I can get into at Tokyo Disney. I have not, like, here, I'll go over to gold in a second, but this is a setup on JER 30, which I usually don't trade JER, but JER is starting to retrace into discount. We're overall kind of bearish, which makes me feel I shouldn't really buy, but I want to literally get into a trade for you guys. Why? To show you guys you can make money anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna get into one buy right there. Oh wow, the spreads were not good on that. Wow. Damn, maybe I should take the spread, but here you can see on JER 30, I'll kind of come over here. You can see I'm looking for it to retrace off this line that I had and look for a quick little bounce. If you go over to gold, let's see, let's go over to gold right here. Gold is doing a whole lot of nothing. We literally caught that trade over here this morning for buys, and since then literally just been moving sideways. So no position on that, but we did just get a position on JR 30, and I'm gonna update you guys throughout here and see if we can make some money at Disneyland. That's the whole goal. Wow, that was way quicker than I wanted to, but you can see right here we're up $285 on here. I'm actually gonna close out both, boom and boom. Literally, like I said, guys, I wanted to do this as a, just to show you can make money anywhere. So come over here to close positions, where the trades, and you can see we're now up 500 on the day. We just closed out these two little things. This was the break even we got on gold earlier, and this was that first trade from this morning. So fire trade this morning, break even on gold. That was a TP on stream, and then we just caught this, guys. What a freaking trade. I want to come back over to here. Look at that bounce 2 times in a row, guys. I told you guys about the bounce. Oh, it's starting to go back down. Oh wait, no, this is gold once again. Let's go back over to JR 30. It's hard to multitask, guys, but look at that freaking bounce. Where's my line? Do you guys see this line? That was the line we entered in. Absolute bullish candle up, closed out. You can see over in here, we back over to trades, to close positions. Big W, not too much. We are up like $568 on the day so far. And you can come over here, of course, on the live account you guys saw in the first video that I opened up for the trip. And guys, this is my first time trading London in forever. I used to trade London. I have not traded JR 30 in forever, but like I said, I literally just wanted to get into a trade here while we're eating, to show you guys you can make money anywhere in the freaking world. I literally just made $250 sitting here with her. I don't know, that's all I'm gonna say. So you can do it. Make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned. And we made money before we even left to go to the right. I wanted to enter and go to the right and be floating profits and show you guys. I literally got in. It just flew from where I gotta say, I knew it was gonna fly from there. Literally, where that line was, you guys can go back, see, tap into discount, perfect from there, impulse, boom, closed out, W, W's, let's go. All right, so you can see here, we're still starting to go bullish. Maybe I shouldn't have closed, but we're about to go on to the next ride. But look from the line, like I said, I wanna go over kind of why I got into the trade. We can go to the 15-minute. Look at this price action. If we look left, we came in, we were super bullish. We just swept these lows right here. And then what happened when we swept them? Inverted up, led to a impulse. And then on this retracement down, look at the wick. Literally bought at the bottom of this wick, and it's starting to retrace. If this flips bullish, it literally would do exactly what I thought it was gonna do, but I just didn't think it was gonna happen this fast. If we go down to the 5-minute, you can see literally the most perfect entry off of that demand zone. I don't have my fib up because I deleted it right there, but we literally had the most perfect projection from the Fibonacci, and now this whole impulse. Big freaking W, good trade, let's freaking go. All right, so I told you guys I got on that trade, literally just to show you can make money for forever, or wherever. Bro, are you joking? I should have held that. Come back over here, look at the exit, ready? Watch the refresh. Nah, this is the most disrespectful thing ever. Shout out London session. Maybe I should trade London a little bit more. Bro, look at that. You zoom in, I got in down there, you can see the arrows. Got out right there, bro. And like I said, guys, usually I would hold the trade to more draw on liquidity, but that wasn't like a usual trade I get into. I don't even trade London. I just saw that London was opening because Nick went live. I was like, oh, let's check out the markets. Got on that trade just to show you can make money wherever. This would have been racks. So next time we're holding, that's all I gotta say. But
it's not electric, this shit gassed up. Can you catch it? The Virgin jet ski 10150, check the leverage. Got 2 twins, they top tier, that's my favorite fetish.
No one here knows I just hit a banger on JR 30. Facts. After a long day, guys, we are back from Disney. I'm really glad we did that. Disney was actually amazing. If you guys are in Tokyo, I recommend going. There's Disneyland and DisneySea. Went to DisneySea because it is the only one in the world, so we had to go check it out. But what was your favorite part? What do you think?
Rides.
Rides?
Which rides you can put in there?
What was your favorite ride?
We tried the one with the monster.
Yeah, so the one at the end, the Journey of the Center of the Earth, was actually the coolest one. The one thing I'll say though is that for anyone out there who's been to the Disneyland in LA, if you've been on the Matterhorn, I thought that was gonna be more like that, where like it was a full roller coaster ride and everything. It literally was just like you kind of go through on a roller coaster really slow, see the center of the earth, see some like jewels and like fire and that type of thing. and you like go up and have one drop, and then like the ride's done. So there wasn't really like a roller coaster, but all the experience was cool. You know, I want to say the Peter Pan one we went on, whatever, was built in 2024, which means it was only 2 years old. How cool you guys think that was? It was absolutely amazing. So, day at Disney. Wrapping it up, guys. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Tomorrow we'll see what we're going to be doing. But then we got Kyoto and Osaka on the vlog still, guys. Yeah, so we've got a lot more coming. So if you've not hit that subscribe button, what do you guys say?
Hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button. Let's go.